Hi guys, I have a little repair project. This antique table. I don't know how much it cost. I will find out. It's really nice. I've done in a light oak. It's oak itself. The wood made it from oak. It's nice and heavy one. Yeah, so I've sanded, clean it, apply stained light oak on top. As you can see, some little crappy already shut out. Apply light oak and then spray with the clear varnish oil base. You can see how shiny it is. So hopefully it will nice and dry everything. And yeah, I'm doing it outside. Ideally it would be nice to do inside, but I can't do inside. Yeah, so hopefully not a lot of shit will come on top of the thing, of the table. Hopefully sell it, make some money. Thank you, bye.